This Windows error refers to your printer and can prevent you from printing altogether. So if you're having the same problem, here's how to fix it. First on the list, check for interference from other printers. So all you have to do is just disconnect all the other printers except the one you want to set as default before changing its settings. But if it's still not working, rename the printer in the registry editor by opening regedit, navigate to this path, right-click on device key, click modify, and in the value data field, replace the first entry with the name of your computer. After that, click OK, and then make sure to restart your computer. Now another possible fix is around the printer troubleshooter. Do it by opening Settings, click Troubleshoot, choose Other Troubleshooter, and then run the printer troubleshooter. And lastly, change printer preferences by opening Settings, select Bluetooth and other devices, click Printers and Scanners, and turn off toggle next to Allow Windows to manage my default printer under Printer Preferences. And those are the possible ways on how you can fix this Windows error on your computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.